Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Fatma. In previous video tutorial we discussed about cell wall. Today we discuss about cytoplasm. Before starting, we shortly discuss about the objective of cytoplasm. Dear ones, cytoplasm is responsible for holding the components of the cell. Organelles of eukaryotic cell such as mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and chloroplast. Let's cytoplasm. Firstly, who discovered cytoplasm? Cytoplasm was discovered by Kuliker in 1862. Part of protoplasm between outer membrane and nucleus. It consists of aqueous ground substance containing variety of organelles and other inclusions like insoluble waste and storage products. Dear ones, cytoplasm is a living content of protoplasm and nucleus is called cytoplasm. First of all, cell diagram we see. Aqueous part also known as water, is called cytosol, also known as a matrix. My dear ones, you may see fourth point, nucleus plus cytoplasm is equal to protoplasm. न्यूक्लियस के अंदर एक्वस पार्ट नोन एज न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म, न्यूक्लियस साइटोप्लाज्म कंबाइन होगा तो प्रोटोप्लाज्म बनेगा. इसके अंदर एक्टोप्लाज्म होता है, एंडोप्लाज्म. एक्टोप्लाज्म इज इक्वल टू आउटर पार्ट. इट इज क्लियर, रिजिड, मोर विस्कुअस एंड नॉन ग्रेनुलर, मीन्स दानेदार स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होता इसमें. बट एंडोप्लाज्म इट इज अ ग्रेनुलर, you see structure also it is not clear, less viscous. Cytoplasm equal to protoplasm minus nucleus. Where is cytoplasm found? Cytoplasm कहाँ पाया जाता है? Cytoplasm is contained within cells. Cells क्या है? Cell is the structure and functional unit of living organisms. In this space between the cell membrane and the nuclear membrane. Parts of cytoplasm. There are two main parts of cytoplasm: organelles, inclusions, and cytosol. Firstly, we discuss about organelles and then cytosol. You may see also in the diagram endoplasmic reticulum, cytoplasm, cytosol, cell membrane, nucleus, and nucleolus. Organelles and inclusions. It contains different cell organelles like mitochondria, lysosomes, and Golgi bodies. It contains insoluble inclusions like wastage and storage products. But in cytosol is a soluble part of cytoplasm and has all other structures and materials in it. Thus, it is the main and most important component. Form ground substance of cytoplasm molecules present in two forms: true solutions and colloidal solution. Next, molecules of cytosol: true solutions and colloidal solution. True solutions means contains small molecules and ions. Light cannot deflect, and in colloidal solution, large molecules from colloidal light deviate. Colloidal solution present two parts, sol and gel. Dear ones, true solution and large molecules means, true solutions means छोटे molecules जिसमें solute होंगे, but large molecules called colloidal solution, इसमें cytoplasm. Sol and gel. Sol is a solid dispersed in a liquid. In next slide we discuss sol and gel. Sol non-viscous and gel is a more viscous. Gel is a liquid, for example cheese, butter and jellies. Water is a solvent like sol, and gel लार्जर मालिक्यूल्स, मोर मालिक्यूल्स मीन्स वाटर कम होगा और मालिक्यूल्स में ज़्यादा होंगे. नेक्स्ट, in previous slide we discussed detail sol and gel. Sol means non-viscous colloidal solution. Means colloidal solution means गाढ़ा महलूल. Colloidal solutions are further divided into gel and sol. Viscous गाढ़ा हो जाना and sol non-viscous parts. My dear ones, you remember one thing, sol and gel. Sol is a non-viscous and gel is a viscous. Peripheral is a gel, but gel is a liquid, for example cheese, butter and jellies. Next, function of cytoplasm. Dear ones, there are many functions related about cytoplasm. Storehouse, site for metabolic pathways, fluid media, motion and formation of new cell wall. First of all, we discuss about storage house. Storage house like starch are stored in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm function are storehouse for vital chemicals of a cell. Mitochondria is a powerhouse of cell. Okay. Then some metabolic processes like glycolysis takes place. It contains several cell organisms like lysosomes. It shows streaming movement. Streaming movement means it is an active mass movement of cytoplasm. Many free floating organelles like mitochondria move in cytoplasm due to this streaming movement. I hope so you can understand the topic regarding cell biology, cytoplasm and its function. This is a motivational quote about Nelson Mandela says, "A winner is a dreamer who never gives up." Means who has faced a lot of obstacles. My dear ones, remain brave and keep on trying. One day you will succeed, inshallah. Any question, any query you may ask in the section box. It is an important long question as well as in short question. But in short question, sometimes examiner asks about cytosol, true solution, colloidal solution, and mainly about functions. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.